Welcome to Wizuda MFT, where we're going to run through an overview of automated subscription-based alerts. There's no more flying blind. If you're still relying on scripts and logs to manage your data transfers, you're reacting too late. Wizuda's dashboard puts your entire file transfer environment in one clear, intuitive, real-time interface. When coupled with our alerts, Wizuda MFT is your early warning system for file transfers. With Wizuda's real-time alerting, you're not just monitoring, you're preventing. Instantly detect potential failures, stall transfers, or compliance risks before they become business disruptions. So after logging in, from the menu, we'll select Monitoring, then Subscription. From here, we can edit existing subscriptions, view some details, or create a new one, which is what we're going to do. So click Create New. We offer 4 subscription types. Health check subscriptions will notify end users when a host connector or endpoint becomes unavailable. Alarm will tell us of file transfer failures, key pairs about to expire, or that jobs have been load balanced, indicating an application server is at capacity or offline. Error subscriptions alert us to database level errors of the chosen severity type. And event type subscriptions tell us things like file transfers have completed, or files could not be found at source, or users have logged into MFT. Depending on the type of subscription we're setting up, there may be a few extra fields to complete, such as picking a specific host connector or transfer job and step. They're self-explanatory. All subscriptions, however, will require at least one system user to be a recipient of the email, and we can specify how often the system will send them out from the first time the event or failure has been triggered. So it might be something like notify every 5 minutes up to a maximum of 10 times for this unavailable host connector. We can also set the start and end dates that the notifications should trigger between. For example, if we know an endpoint is only going to be available for 6 months, we would set the end date for the notifications to be 6 months from now, so that the system is not trying to alert us after the fact. Once we are happy, we can click the Save button and our subscription will be set up. Subscriptions for transfer jobs and steps can also be set up at the time of creation for transfer steps. And here are some examples of received alerts. The first we have is a file threshold alarm, where the transfer step is expected to move at least one file in a given 30-minute period, but none have been transferred. The next one we have shows a file transfer complete, which may be useful if we have a transfer that only moves a single file on a weekly or monthly basis. No need to go looking to see if it has been sent yet. Here we have a health check alarm, showing that while the host connector can connect and authenticate, one of the folder paths applied for either sending or receiving data can no longer be accessed. And the final image shows a pass with flying colors example of a completed health check. As you can see, it's very intuitive to receive updates on the state of your file transfers and endpoints, and I hope you found that useful. What you're getting is global visibility, local control. MFT gives full operational visibility across all locations, departments and partners, all from a central dashboard. Please check out our other tutorials for further information, or contact us directly by emailing support@wizuda.com. Till next time.